Njeri. I work at Cinefa as a hardware engineer, and we are here today at Kimathi Factory, part of the Gititu Co-operative. We are here for the training on how the solar dryer works, answering the questions that the staff and the farmers had, the do's and don'ts of the solar dryer, how to make the solar dryer work more efficiently for them, especially being that the solar dryer is a relatively new concept.
Kabla training haijaingia tulikuwa tunaogopa juu tulikuwa tunasikia solar dryer ikiingia. Sasa sisi wenyewe tulikuwa tunajiambia kazi itaisha. Sasa lakini kwa sasa vile mmekuja mmetusomesha, sasa tumeelewa hakuna kazi inaisha, ni quality tumepandisha. Sasa tumefurahia kwa hiyo.
Before hii kampani ya self-ventilator solar dryer nilikuwa na doubt sana how kahawa itakauka kwa greenhouse. But by the time imewekwa na imeanza kazi, nimeona nimeamini.
So the solar dryer has various components. Each of their functions is reliant on the other or sometimes independent. We have the greenhouse, which is the structure that you can see. The greenhouse itself has turbine fans at the top of the greenhouse, and there are 2 fans by the door. So the fans work to draw moisture or humidity from the greenhouse. And the greenhouse itself has a side vent, so the side vent allows circulation of air. Cool air comes in to allow that circulation. We also have the solar panels. The solar panels are our source of energy. This solar dryer project is 100% renewable energy. So we are off the grid. Then we have the inverters. The inverters convert the direct energy to alternating current energy, which is what the Kenyan system uses. So the inverter powers the pump shield and the fans and the spears as well. So the pump shield is the brain of the solar dryer basically. The pump shield tells the fans when to go on, when to go off, or when not to turn on at all. So the spears contain the sensors that sense ambient humidity within the greenhouse. Also, we have the drying racks where the farmers place the coffee, and there's a specification for how the coffee is placed, so thin layers for efficient drying.
Kati tulikuwa tunaanika nje, jua ikiwa mingi inafunguka hii ngozi ya juu, lakini ikiwa uko ndani kwa dryer haifunguki, inakaa tu ikiwa imejifunika. Na uanga kwa soko anapenda hiyo yenye imejifunika, wapendi hiyo yenye imejifungwa.
I'd urge other cooperatives, regardless of the product, it can be coffee, it can be vegetables, mangoes even, they should really look into smart ways of drying. Smart in the sense that it is automatic, no intervention from us is needed, so it reduces the human errors. This solar dryer in itself, the goal of it is to reduce post-harvest losses, which has been evident because the farmers have relayed that the weight of the coffee they've gotten from the solar dryer was much more from what they ever got when they were drying the coffee outside. So post-harvest losses has been really minimized. So other cooperatives should really look into investing into the solar dryer project if at all their goal is to reduce losses and increase yields.